Tama ba yung sinabi ko, kayo yung kaisa-isang nangungulit sa mga colleagues ninyo na dapat simulan na ito impeachment trial, hindi ba?
Pati si Senator Risa, dalawa kami.
Oo, pero kayo nauna, di ba? You formally wrote the Senate President.
Yes.
Okay. Yung bang letter na pinadala niya sa Senate President, was this formally replied to? Nagkaroon ba ng response dito? Formally?
In writing hindi, pero nakapag-usap na rin naman kami. So narinig ko na yung pronounced speeches sa media at saka nakapag-usap kami personal. And
Anong
then
sinabi niya sa inyo?
and then yung pagkatapos namin mag-usap, nag-double down pa siya na talagang, 'di ba, naglabas pa siya nung kanyang schedule, timetable. So mas nagmatigas pa ang Senate President. So ibig sabihin nun, wala kaming meeting of the minds. I was not able to convince him, and likewise he has not been able to convince me.
Ano po bang basa ninyo, Senator, kung bakit ayaw talagang simulan agad-agad nitong Senado itong impeachment trial?
Hindi, ayoko nga mag-speculate. Sana ini-interview nyo rin sila para
Susunod.
malaman
Hindi. Susunod si
para
Senator
malaman
Cheese
ninyo.
after March 10. Pumayag siya after March 10.
Okay. So, tanungin na lang natin sila. At saka, sana tanungin natin isa-isa ang mga senador kasi apparently, and it looks like the position of the Senate President has the support and the backing of the majority because no one is complaining. Diba? No one is expressing a contrary view aside from the two of us, Senator Risa and myself. So, wala na yun. I think we can safely assume that the majority members are supporting the position of the Senate President.
Does it mean na it's a foregone conclusion na talagang masusunod yung kanyang temporary calendar for the impeachment trial?
Kung walang magbago ng isip, yes, yun na yun.
Mukha po bang may pagkakataon pa o tsansa na magbago ng isip yung ilan sa mga colleagues po ninyo?
Since no one is, as far as I know, no one is even commenting on the issue of the impeachment trial. So looks like it's not even in the radar or in the list of their priorities. So kung ganyan, if you treat it that way, hindi mo siya iniisip, hindi ka nagko-komentaryo sa so-called burning issue of the day, so looks like no one will change his or her mind.
Does it frustrate you that this is the demeanor of most of your colleagues po?
Well, I think this is really an honest difference in opinion or in interpretation. So be it. Gano'n naman talaga. May mandato ako, may mandato din sila. So respeto na lang sa kanya-kanyang nakuwang mandato sa taong bayan.
Okay.
And Christian, siguro kailangan tanggapin ko rin na even in this issue, looks like I'm also in the minority. So they are seeing something which I do not see, and I'm seeing something which they do not appreciate.
Okay. Ang isa ko nadidinig na komento, baka daw kasi malakas ang loob ninyo na pasimulan itong impeachment trial dahil patapos na yung termino ninyo. Ibang mga colleagues nyo seeking re-election. Kumbaga, they're looking still far ahead to their political futures or fortunes. Anong sagot nyo po doon?
Well, itong timing naman kasi ng impeachment, hindi ko naman kontrolado, hindi na namin ito kontrolado. So, ininterpret ko lang yung Constitution. Nung dumating na yung impeachment articles, tinignan ko yung Constitution. So, immaterial yung term ko rito. So, it's really just my reading and my understanding of the constitutional provisions, as well as our existing impeachment rules. Kasi nakasulat din doon sa impeachment rules namin that should we have legislative matters to consider, we should suspend them in favor of the impeachment. So, kitang-kita natin na we should really prioritize the impeachment.
Okay. I think that is very clear, no? Pero pag-usapan natin yung hamon sa inyo ng isa sa mga colleagues ninyo, and I think you accepted that challenge and you're now drafting the Senate impeachment rules. Tama po ba?
Halos tapos na nga. Halos tapos na. I mean, kasi the Senate rules are not really the issue. I mean, the existing rules of the Senate on impeachment or sitting as an impeachment court has already allowed the successful processing as well as successful conduct of of at least one impeachment trial. So, I
Mm.
mean, hindi siya problema eh. Successfully siyang nagamit eh to finish an impeachment. So, if that is their only challenge to me, tapos na po. Nagawa na namin yung Senate rules. May draft na po ako.
Gaano katagal yung yan, inihanda ng inyong opisina at saka ninyo po?
Galing ako doon nung Monday sa opisina, galing ako doon kanina. So, 2 days. Ayos
2
na.
days. Ano bang sige, patulan muna natin kung talagang dahilan dyan. Actually, I agree, hindi naman dahilan dyan yung Senate impeachment rules, no? Pero what refinements did you put in the draft? Ano po yung sinasuggest ninyong mga improvements po?
Well, improvements muna. There are some entries there na medyo unclear. Hindi ko maintindihan paano i-apply sa real life, so tinanggal namin 'yon.
Like what po?
Well, yung shall take proper order. Meron din ibang entries doon na 2 times mini-mention yung final question. Ayan, hindi niyo to maintindihan, Christian, unless binasa niyo, aralin niyo talaga yung rules eh. 2 times lumalabas yung final order na concept sa isang sentence, so it doesn't make
Okay.
sense. There are
Okay.
a lot of things there which do not make sense, so inayos ko muna. And then yung trial calendar will be set by the impeachment court. And then ito, meron kaming in-anticipate namin yung anong tawag mo doon, yung magko-crossover siya from the 19th
Yes.
Congress to the 20th Congress or Senate. That should be no problem. Ilalagay ko as a separate rule that that is no problem, that should the trial continue after 12 noon of June 30 next following an election, so we just have to suspend the trial until after the new members of the Senate have taken their oath, not only as senators but as members of the impeachment court.
Court,
So ganun
senator
lang.
judges. Okay.
Senator
So-
judges, and then should there be a new Senate president, then the Senate president should take his oath. Ganun lang, parang klarong-klaro.
Wala kayong nakikitang legal impediments doon sa konsepto o prinsipyo ng pagtawid from the 19th to the 20th Congress na impeachment trial?
Para sa akin, madali kong na settle o na justify sa mind ko eh. It's a court. The Senate will sit as a court. So the court continues its existence. The court will just welcome new members. Walang problema doon. It's just like the Supreme Court or the CA Court of Appeals Division, Sandigan Bayan Division. Nag-change po ang membership ng division, pero tuloy-tuloy yung caseload nung division. It's the same caseload.
As well as the presiding officer. So hindi issue kung mapalitan si Senate President Jesus Cordero ng ibang Senate President in the middle of the trial. Pwede po yan.
Yes, mag-take lang siya ng oath, and then from that point forward, siya na yung, kasi the rules will refer to the presiding officer eh. Yun. And the presiding officer can even be the Chief Justice in case the impeached official is the President of the Republic.
Yes.
Di ba? Ganun